Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. And follow the backup channel, B Hayes. I'm going to comment under this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. As we know, today is a day. Today is going to be a big market, a big day for the market. It's going to put a direction on the market. Whether it's short term, long term, however long it lasts, it doesn't matter. Long as you prepare to capitalize and make the moves you need to make within that moment. We're not really worried about what the market's going to be doing in April, in May, June, or the end of the year. We focus on what's about to happen now because that's going to help us know whether it's time to make money or not. If we need to be conservative, we need to be more aggressive, all this different stuff, guys. There's never one right way to do the market. It's not a correct science. It's different multiple tools of things that you gotta, compound together. Sometimes you gotta go hard, sometimes you gotta be conservative, sometimes you gotta, pull back on the sizes. Like, you just got to use all these different things. And I just try to give you guys knowledge within the video. After you make a couple racks on a trade, don't try to put all that money plus more money on a trade. And then the next trade, you over leverage and you could possibly lose all the money you just made. Really what you should do is take half of what you just made or a small portion of it and put it on the next trade. That way you protecting your gains as you continue to climb. I know that's too much free game for you. I know you guys don't want to hear that. You just want to hear, the nonsense. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about it, guys. Get right into it, though. Share my opinion going into today. Let you guys know what's going on. So as we know, the market is ready to rumble. It's being ready to rumble. The Feds, market manipulators, they've been market makers, but yeah, that was right, market manipulators. They've been controlling the market, holding it back. It's been stagnant, and then on Friday, boom, they let it loose because they can't continue. They can't hold it back forever, regardless of how manipulated it is, regardless of how much they can just do what they want to do. The market is not going to stay down forever. It's just not going to happen. It's not going to happen. They know it just won't make sense after months and years and years. The market just still down at the same level. They know it's just not going to make sense to the public. So they got to let it run. So with that being said, guys, now is the time to really build some wealth for yourselves, because once this market turn back around and you only need a one full good week in the market. And you don't need that much money, especially trading options. You can have a few $100s to your name, 1,000 or two, and one good full week. Don't give us 2 full weeks. I'm talking about every single day, green, back to back to back. And we know it can happen because I done called it before. I was like, oh, the market about to be bullish. We about to back to back to back to back. Like in 2022, we had one little moment where we're back to back to back greens. And overall, bearish market though. But same thing, it's going to happen in 2023 because we're going to go into a bullish market within this year, which I don't know exactly when, but it's going to happen. And you're going to see the market green, 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 back to back to back. That's going to be the opportunities where millionaires, 100,000naires, 5-figure-naires are being made, guys. So you definitely want to be prepared for those opportunities. Today, we know Powell come out and speak. The Feds come out and speak, seeing how they're going to be, how aggressive they're going to be with hiking interest rates to help tame inflation. As we know, guys, use common sense. Inflation has came down. Car market came down. Used car market, I can get a car cheaper than what I could get it for a few months ago. Housing market, get a house cheaper than what I could get it a few months ago. Gas prices cheaper, even though, make it make sense for you, they reached the bottom level, gas prices, houses, and cars, and then they did spring back up. They didn't go back to its peak of inflation, which is giving signs, or not just signs, that's letting us know that inflation has cooled down. And in return, the Feds should come out 100% guaranteed and say they are being less aggressive with hiking interest rates. The only way they do not say that and come out is if they know, man, the market is about to blow. It's too many contracts on the line. Too many people about to make too much money. We got to just say something that don't make sense. We got to say inflation is still a huge problem. We got to say recession fears is still a huge problem. We got to say, man, there's some scary stuff going on. That's the only way, guys, if they lie and say it's scary out here. In reality, 2022 is scary. 2023 is looking good. The GDP data came in way better than expected, 2.9% annually for the last quarter of last year, which is a great sign on the economy. So come on now, make it make sense. I know the data. I know the price action. I know what's supposed to be happening right now. I know what Bitcoin doing. I know the market is lagging. I know it's behind. Come on, make it make sense. The market is ready to go. And don't let them come out and say everything we need to say in our favor for the bullish market to happen. Oh, Lord. Because it's still going to, psychology, even after they say that, this is what's going to happen today, guys. And ain't 100% guarantee it's going to happen like this, but this just me zoomed out. The way I just observe things, what's going to happen is, prior at opening bell, right now in pre-market, we should already be running. We should already be running up. Opening bell, the market should fly like a bat out of hell, right? It should run up prior to the feds coming out. Once the feds come out and speak, since they already know what the feds should send the market higher, they'll let the market run up prior to them coming out to speak. Soon as they speak and say what they have to say, the market already ran up. You're already pricing in the good news. So now it's about to drop. Buy the news, sell the rumor. Now it's going to drop as soon as they disclose the information on how aggressive they're going to be with hiking interest rate. The market going to fall off, right? As soon as it fall off, it's going to be a fake fall off, a fake sell off, a fake out, just to get people out, just to have some type of sentiment on the market, just for the feds to feel in control, which they are. But I say it's a percentage of the time to where they ain't in control. The market is just doing what it's supposed to do. So they'll let it fall afterwards, looking like the feds just made it fall from what they said. But in actuality, it done ran up, because they already knew what the feds would say, and then it fell back just to mess with your psychology and get people out of there and think the feds just said something to crash the market, when in reality, it's about to go back up. It just ran up prior. It dropped soon as they said what they said, just to put some type of control on the market. So like, oh, the Fed spoke, and look what happened to the market, just for a power sense. If it don't make sense, one day it will. But anyways, as soon as after that happened, the market gonna go right back up. So shoot up prior to them coming out. As soon as they come out and speak, shoot down, which is a fake shoot down, and then shoot right back up. So that's what Hayes is expecting to happen, guys. And the way I'm doing it is, I'm in positions from yesterday's swing trades, selling them to strength. As soon as the Fed's about to come out, I'm going to go ahead and get out my positions. And I'm going to be at the bottom, sitting back, chilling, rubbing my chin, waiting for everybody to panic. As they panic, Hayes going to come through. VIP and Hayes going to come through. We're going to scoop in at the bottom floor again after we done made our money this morning. Scoop in, and we're going to ride it right back up. You know what I'm talking about? So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, getting VIP. Follow for more if you want details of the market, the psychology and stuff. Zoom all the way out, blocking out all the noise, giving you guys the real information that you really need to know to help you be a beast in the market. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at B Hayes Show. Follow the second page. I love y'all. We out. And God bless you.